What's going on, you guys? This is your friendly neighborhood Reaper, and we are back today in my little blacksmith shop. We grinded a ton of time on this game and a lot of money so that we can have a little bit of fun today. Let's enjoy. And yeah, we are back in our bedroom. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So I've been grinding my ass off for this. That's why there was such a long period of time of me not recording anything, and I didn't want to upgrade my tools too much. I didn't want to make all the awesome stuff. I rather wanted to do it with you guys. But check this. This is what our adventurer brought back the time that we sent them the previous time on the quest. So, well, I put the handle on, he just brought the... So it looks cool. Does it do anything for our shop appeal? No, it doesn't, so I don't know. It looks cool though, it looks amazing. It looks better than just a normal hammer. Two-handed battle hammer, very cool. We also saw this cool guy, cool star in the handle, very cool. What else? I don't think there's anything much going on here, but what we are going to do now, we are going to the Mastersmith. The reason why we want to go to Blacksmith, I want to go and buy that upgraded Anvil. It was a long dream, and I was so tempted to get it. Not gonna lie, but I wanted to get the Anvil with you guys, so that's why I waited for the Anvil. People spawning mid-air. Nothing strange, nothing to see here, folks. Just people spawning in the middle of the air. So you have something I want. That thing is 10 silver, right? So I only have 25. It's not that much, but we're going to buy it. Now I wonder, did it just upgrade mine? That was, I guess so. So once we're reputation 3, we can upgrade again. We don't have it. I think that was it. Is there anything cool? Bronze, something that will... A common Adelite one-handed hammer. Well, this will most definitely save us a bit of time. Let's buy this. No, nope. We're not gonna do it. We're gonna make it ourselves. Why would we? Your stuff doesn't work. Sorry, sir. It doesn't work. I didn't take it, so then don't attack me. It's still there. It's still there. I need to take my mouse speed down, otherwise I'm gonna make you guys sick. Okay, so mouse speed's down. So I'm not looking as erratically around. Into the Nexus, you just keep on spawning, isn't it? Is that your thing? The Nexus, let's go back to my shop. Shop, sweet shop. What did we say the last time this big shop costs? How much do I need to grind? It took me a week to grind at 25. It's for sale, yes, we know that. 100 gold. Wow. This Adelite and Mithril. So I did unlock Adelite and Mithril as well. I didn't use it yet, as you can see. I still have steel stuff. Oh, I'm glitching through. So maybe we should do that. Make that our first. Yes, it's upgraded. Look how beautiful. So let's order the base. This adamantine, adamantine, not Adelite. No, I don't have adamantite. I have Adelite and mithril. Yeah, so mithril is my best. So let's order that for 2 silver. That's for the hammer. Let's place that order. We quickly run across, see if there is some awesome one-handed. We can send this guy on a mission again. Let's send him. I can't send him on these. I don't know why. I gave him the sword and I gave him this massive shield. His gear level is 346, but his adventure level is still level 1. So if I click on that, it just tells me he can't. So I'm just gonna send him on that quest for a while and see if his level actually picks up. Do you have any amazing 47?
Oh my!
I haven't seen a 47 yet. 42. What's the time? Should I make it? No, 3 minutes. I don't have to make any rash decisions. But I mean, we can just do it. I want this one. It looks amazing. It looks full of power. Only 47 copper. It's a good deal. Thank you, sir. So let's go make our first mithril hammer on our upgraded anvil. I'm very excited about this.
Yeah!
Oh, this looks beautiful. Oh, you're gonna look so good in my hand.
Hey, phrase it!
Never gonna see it, but who cares? Who cares? I don't know how much do I have left. 15. I saw it out of 25. Oh. Anyway. Is it almost there? 10 seconds. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay. Hopefully I don't have to upgrade forges and stuff. No, this heats up. Ah, look at that quality. Go onto my brand spanking new anvil. Let's go to hammers. And we go with what we are used to. And let's get this as close to the green. If I'm going to miss, I want to miss in the red at least. Which was perfect there. Oh, look how beautiful this is. It's like a blackish gold and I drop it instantly on the floor. Wow. Oh. This is awesome.
You ain't lying.
Okay, cool. Let's drop this hammer, equip this, and we can just place this on our rack if someone wants to buy this. I don't care. That still looks better. Okay, let's open shop. Let's see. I want to order a few mithrils, if that is a reason why people might not want to order those items, because I don't have it. Fair enough. So let's just order 5 of each. Hello there. What can I do for you? No, 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 no. I don't want to do extra work. That's a pain in the ass. Guys, I told you guys about you get the scroll with order on it, make 5 of this. It's a pain in the ass. It's fine for grinding. It's not content worthy. It's so irritating making 5 of exactly the same thing. You need so much ore and it is just irritating as hell. And the timeline to get the bonuses and so forth is actually quite difficult. You have to do most of it while fatigued. So I would not recommend doing that. Now, if you are grinding, go for it. My Blacksmith notification, I need you to return my one-handed sword. Okay, I can do that. I wish you would rather have bought something. At least we're working with Adelite. So we'll be able to see what Adelite repairs gets us now. I want to put in a prediction. I'm gonna predict about 600. Now my prediction is based on old stuff. Not having a mithril hammer, not having the upgraded anvil, and the best item that I used to make was steel. Now this is a way different material. We're working on a better anvil and we are doing it with a better hammer. So I don't know if that has any effect on how much this is going to sell for, but we're gonna find out nevertheless. Okay, let's take this, rip it through the table. I almost screwed myself there. What's the quality of this? Durability 400, quality 109, 2-star. This good quality. Let others know.
Nope.
402. So I was under on my prediction. That's disappointing. Not gonna lie. I know how to work with gems. What does that mean? I don't know. No clue. Absolutely no clue. I don't know if our book says anything about gems. This raw ore, alloys, shields, sharpening, smelter, forge, anvil, tools to go, tools to go. There's a customer, I just heard him. Building a new home. No, nothing. How can I help you? Repair. Okay. We'll repair. And we're working with steel, not even a fancy material. I'm also pretty sure our delivery came. Now I want to move these. Well, let's move some of them in here while we are doing this. Let's just sharpen the axe quickly. Again, that's a sharp, completed sharp axe, and now obviously my box is in my way. Okay, I can get through. That's fine. Here's your axe. Hope it serves you well. 312. That's not bad for an... What was that? Iron or steel? Can't remember. Okay. Want to move these down. And then, do I have space? Not really. Those are all. You can drop here. Oh, where did that go? I need to save. Hello there. I'm just sorting out the shop a little bit. Special job for you if you're interested. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take it. I'm very sorry about that, Master Farmer. Let's take this tin. Let's also put it out on our crafting table. I think that might have taken everything. Oh, that. Okay, at least at least the box didn't flip them. But did I save? I didn't save. Let's just do it from here. So Adelite. Adelite is worthless, so let's put some Adelite down here. And then the mithril, that's worth more. We can just place here. And then the rest of the Adelite goes on top as well. I don't know, maybe this makes them order. Ah, okay, hopefully it just went into one of those. But we can only hope that makes them order some of these weapons. How much do I have left? 10 silver. It's not bad. What's the time? It's after 12 already. Let's slow shop. Let's just sleep until 7. It's fine. Just past 7. Then we'll open shop again. And let's cross our fingers that we get a cool item that people wants us to create. Please? Maybe we should just be asking nicely. My horse. I never feed that horse. I hope that grass that's there by us. Hello. Oh, repair. Really? At least we're working with mithril. That's cool. I forgot to open my equipment. Now this is literally the best. That's a 30, that's 13. It's not gonna up the star rating too much. And I don't think, because if I would have made this from scratch, it would have been a 2-star. So I don't think my hammer does anything, and I am not convinced that that anvil is doing anything. But look at the where it overheats when you. This is way smaller. The section where we have green on our hands. So that's interesting. I wonder if it's to do about is it quality? Is it the type of blade? I don't know. Now, first this one on that one so that this can all stay in line and not go into the table. How much did I get for that mithril repair? Almost to 600. Level which... Well, at least you guys saw me work with Adelite and Mithril now. That's one good thing, or even if it was just a repair. So all in all, it is still a win, I would say. I think we're just gonna run to the end of this day, and that'll be this episode. I know it seems like I didn't do much, but a lot of grinding went into making this episode. Please make something. Make a steel two-handed pickaxe. Steel. Why? Why? What is this? This is steel. I'll have to rip this thing off because I am not going to, I don't have a stockpile of carbon. So we are going to make units of this. What? Steel. 3. Yes. Sharp. That's unfortunate because, well, I guess now we can put this one back there. But it's the two-handed pickaxe, right? Oh, I forgot to say start. Rookie mistake. Let's let the steely juices pour out. Yum yum yum. It looks yummy. Is it 2 or 3? A double pickaxe. I can't see that it's 3, but the worst that can happen is we get one back. Did I have one steel here? Yeah, I actually have one steel here. So if we only need 2, then we have 2 at least. We'll see now. And in the green, and last one in the green. Are they? They said not. No, I didn't get anything back. That's a shame. But you wanted a two-handed, so I'm gonna give you this one. Here you go. Master Miner.
NANI?!
1.54 silver! Jackpot! Yes! Now we're talking. Now we're talking. And it was due our reward that we used. And our shop appeals up. I don't know how this works. Never mind. I would like to beautify my shop a bit, but I have no clue how. I think, okay, there's someone coming. Maybe under buildings there is some beautification stuff. A blacksmith certification pole arm. Do you guys don't even know? I've been fixing pole arms like it's going out of season. When I was grinding, it is pole arm after pole arm after pole arm. It was pole arm season. At least now we can work with some mithril. This is new and exciting. Now to see if this mithril also only have half. Yep. So I think it's a mithril thing. Remember, we didn't see the mithril on the hammer because we didn't actually sharpen the hammer. You can't. The stone thingy just rejects it. So, I've went through the game now and I explored quite a bit, and there is some hidden stuff, but we are almost at the point where the materials that we can make is, I think there's 2 materials left that we can buy and unlock and use. That wasn't a lot. Taking it was a myth roll. I did the exact same type of work. Heat it up, put it on Anvil. Anyway. So I think there's only like 2 materials left to do. Then I don't know. I've been wandering around on the map and I didn't see much happening, so I think the only other thing that I really still want to do in this game is to buy the big smithy shop. I'm very sorry, man. Horrible customer service. Yeah, I know, but I'm really not in the mood to make 20 of one-handed swords. That's alloy, and I have to go mine for like my whole life to make 2 silver. It's not fun. I cannot over-exaggerate how little fun those quests are. If the developer ever gets to watch this video, one thing you can take away from this, that mechanic sucks. Working on a bridge today, I need a steel grate hammer. Again with the steel. This is a problem. This is a problem. I only have 1 steel here. Can't I give you Adelite? I'm gonna try and give you Adelite. I'm most probably gonna lose money on this, but I'm just gonna taste something. So a great hammer. I'm gonna regret. How much was one of these Adelite? 360. I'm gonna so regret this. Okay, hammer, great hammer. Oh yeah, I think this is one of the ones I unlocked. That was in the red, but rather red than completely missing. Oh cool, leveled up. Wow, this looks cool, right? Really cool. Okay, what is this? This is a one-handed. Did you say what? Let's try and sell you the one-handed. No, it gave me the whole bloopy sound. But let's see. Do you want this? No. No. This is a big no. If I slap on a two-handed, are you gonna take it then? You took it. And you paid me what Adelite should cost. Wait a minute. Okay. That's bullshit. Okay, so I found out you can use whatever you like.
Really?
And if they ask for steel, where was the weapon? This. Steel two-handed pickaxe, right? Okay. Maybe not. No.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
It was 3 steel. How can I help you? Need a steel two-handed axe. Yeah, I'm sure because... Oh well, let's test it with mithril now.
Why?
And see if we get a different result. If we still get the 1 silver. Steel two-handed axe. Steel two-handed axe. So this is test number 2. This guy's gonna walk away with something amazing. Steel. Oh, check out how small that green was. And booyah. Wow! This is also extremely beautiful. And we have that very nice looking. No, this is the one I... Just wait 1 second. I can't sell that thing with such a low level handle. Just quickly, how much time do you have? We have 2 minutes. Plenty of time. 239. 200. This is 31. 200 katana yield. Why would you put a katana yield? Okay, so this one. I mean, if I'm going to sell you something that is not even the correct thing that you asked for, we might as well go all out, right? This is officially our first 3-star weapon that we made. This is a rare occasion, and it is beautiful. Okay, so this is not what you asked for, but where did it go? Oh, sure. But it's yours. It's a 2-handed axe. Are you kidding me? Why don't you want this? Okay, well, your loss. I'm gonna put this there. Can this even display here? Yes. I can't do steel. Okay. Sorry to have wasted your time. That's not going to be great for our reputation, but nevertheless, let's get rid of this piece of junk. Why can't this? Oh, you see, this isn't. This is the one that can only be actually on a one-handed. That's also why we got that sound. This, I mean, I can smelt this copper away. But I'm just gonna put it in there. I'm not actually going to smelt it now. What am I going to do? This handles. I'll keep it for whatever stupid reason. But yeah, let's close shop. And that will be it for today. We got a new anvil. It looks beautiful. We got the chance to work with Adelite and Mithril. We ended with 13 silver, where we started with 25, but we got all the upgrades. We have a Mithril hammer in our possession right now. Let me just drop this beauty. Let's have a look at. Oh, is this one of those? Yeah. Yep, this is one of those that does not like being. If you hold Alt on it, it just falls. It doesn't want to rotate. But yeah, that's our Mithril hammer. Absolute beaut. I love that handle. And that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please rip that like button. Also, please share the content and subscribe. And until we meet again, may the shadows guide you.